Welcome back to TCG Battles. I'm Rick. How's everyone doing today? And in today's opening, we got our hands on some Crimson Haze. I saw it at my local, and I just had to pick up a booster box. It's been a while since we opened up some Japanese, but it's always a fun. So we got one full booster box. There are a lot of awesome cards in this set. You know, I know Jay wants that Applin. There's the Ursaring Blood, I forget what it's called. Of course, there's like two waifu cards, like always. Let's see, Perrin. Ooh, Lana's Assistant's SAR, I think, is my favorite that I've seen. And then they have an Eevee AR where it has like 6 Eevees in there. So let's go ahead and see what we can get in this set. Alright. Let's go ahead. Get these all out. Boom. Spam and bam. Alright. Not gonna do a trick or anything. I think it's one, but we're not gonna do it. Oh, we got Manaphy, Torkoal, Helioptile. We got a Guan and a Cramorant. Alright. So we at least get one SR, hopefully an SIR hitbox. Yo, Screamtail. And then we got the Leafeon. Alright, this set is looking really nice. I like it. Then Fernape AR looks cool. I'll do the one since we found out. Come on. Into. Ooh. Let me know. Are you guys opening this set? Are you guys ready for it in Japanese? Not Japanese, in English. Of course, if you are ready for it in Japanese, you would have some or be picking some up. Or another Leafeon. Alright, Leafeon. So her SAR card looks the best, I think, from what I've seen. Spinarak and the little fish. Yeah, Lana's Assistance would be awesome. It just looks cool. Has the derpy type drawing. Alright, Chimchar. Lana again. Alright. Let's get a hit. We've seen a Screamtail. Oh, we got Fishy. We got Froakie. Yeah. So this is an AR. So they have like full art ARs instead of having like. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool looking. We got the little Doggy coming up and saying hello. All right, so we got our first AR. Let's go ahead and boom. We should get 2, maybe 3 from what I was hearing my store say, because they do open online. So they've been opening it up for a day or two at this point. That's such a nice AR. I keep looking at it. All right, Cramorant, Froakie. Ooh, sleeping little wolf. We got the apples. All right, we're looking for the Eevee now. All right, Eevee. We got the Applin tree. Look at these little baby apples. That's so nice. All right. Come on. All right, we got a Love Ball, Tangela. Ooh, we got a Hollow Chimchar. Or Infernape. Sorry, Infernape. Ooh, Glaceon, Slugma, Growlithe, Tadbolt, and a Snorlax. Shout out PokeSurge. Alright, come on, Eevee. We got the Growlithe. Oh no, oh no, oh no, where are you going? Where are you going? Alright, Chimchar. Ooh, a Nanomaris. So far 1 EX, 2 ARs. No big hit in sight yet. Unless it's right here. Perrin is her name. Yo. We got the A-Spec card. Alright, so that's number 2. Okay. All the good stuff was near the top on the right. Froakie, Nosepass, Probopass. Alright, alright. Let's put these bad boys up here. Take a look at our hits in a second. Alright, what is your guys' chase in this set? Tangela. Ooh, and a helmet. Alright. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are going to be chasing that Eevee card once they see it. And the Lana's assistance. Yo, derpy Eevee. Love it. Loving it. Alright, Tangela. That Eevee is adorable. Alright. Frafrig. Floaty. Helios. Ooh. The Iron Thorns. I want to see Sleepy T-Tar with Iron Thorns. Alright, I got Raygun, Torkoal, Old Man, Froakie. Yo, the Greninja. This SAR looks crazy too. SIR in Japanese, sorry. SAR in English. Alright, alright, come on. More Pekka, more Pico. Floaty, Tangela, Chimchar. No! That looks like an SAR. Alright, we're gonna leave that one till last. We're leaving that one last. It's either an SAR or in a Terra card. Alright. Last time I got tricked with the Terra. Ooh, Zappy McZapperson. Shout out Broke Ace and the PokeTwins. First person that I heard say that. Oh man. Alright, alright. Come on. Come on. Helios. And the Arcanine, the Hisuian version. All the holos are coming now. We're still missing an AR. Possibly a second hit. Vulpix. Yeah. We got the Torkoal AR. Amazing. Let's go. It looks like he's at a forge or he's... Yeah, oh, a pottery maker. Alright. Last 7 packs. Let's find out if we got an SAR. Yo, we got blue tiny hands. Walking awake. Alright. Alright. Perrin. Tadpole, one of my favorite Pokemon of the newer generation for sure. Alright. Come on. Alright, let's double hit, double hit, double hit. Bro. Oh. Tangela, come on, Tangela. Floaty. Ooh, Ursaring. Blood Moon? Yeah, he's Blood Moon. Ursaring, Ursaluna. Come on, Pinsir, Nosepass, Chunky Eevee, Frafrig. All right, last few packs. All right, come on, goodness. Greninja. Yo. Iron Leaves or Valiant? I get those two confused. All right, come on. Arachnid. Halucha. We got the Spinarak with the booty smile spider. Always funny. I used to always do that. And then we got an energy. All right. Last two packs. See if we can get another hit. All right, guys. What's your favorite card that I pulled? Or are you going to open some up and go for your chase? All right. Second. All right. I'm just going to pick this up. Put it back here. All right. We got the little booty spider. We got apples, Tadbulb, Chimchar. Yeah, Blood Moon Ursaluna SAR. That is awesome. Look at that. We got the Munchlax, the Teddy Ursas. He's just grubbing on that. Let's go. We got Cutie Flies up in the corner. Oh, man. Beautiful SAR card. Can't believe I got it. First box. Such a beautiful card. I don't know. I might have to pick up another box. Let me know in the chat. Should I pick up one more box or should we stick at our W and run? All right, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, turn on notifications, and we'll catch you guys at the next one.